Manipur Leingak ke Amasung Icar Atari Zone-Vii Umiam Meghalaya gi Makhada Leiriba Krishna Vigyan KENDRA KVK THOUBAL na SINDUNA extraction, processing, value addition and production development from pineapple leaf fiber HAIBASIDA NUMIT tarani CHATHAGADABA skill development training program ama NGASIDAGI KVK THOUBAL gi training hall da HOUDOKHRE. KVK THOUBAL gi Makhada Leiriba tonga Farmers Production Company Limited singdagi farmers singna saruk yariba training program adu haudokpagi thoramda District Agriculture Officer THOUBAL RK Umakanta Singh, District Handloom and Textile THOUBAL gi Project Manager L Dashumati Devi amasung KVK THOUBAL gi Head in Charge Senior Scientist Dr. KH Premlata Devi na athoiba mitung lensing oina saruk yaki. Training program adugi ngasi haudokpagi technical session da District Handloom and Textile THOUBAL gi Project Manager L Dasumati Devi na scheme of handloom and textile for weavers HAIBASIDA wangangki. Loinana program aduda with management practice, packaging, leveling and branding of developed products, post-harvest technology of pineapple, economic and constraint analysis of pineapple cultivation, processing leaf fiber extraction and its value addition, preparation of business plan, demonstration on pineapple leaf fiber yarn making and wrapping, effective using of different mulching material in pineapple production na haibachingba subject sing da experts sing na takpi tambigani amadi practical demonstration sing su pangtokani haidi.